Okay, so training have to continue Ramadan. This is a surprising finding. Tetap tanding wala. This is about a story about competition sepak takraw held in Malaysia about a couple of years ago. Can you imagine? I mean, 10 years ago, if Malaysia have competition during Ramadan, I think the movies here or the Muslim will scold you, correct? But they didn't, because I mean, of course, because no choice, because competition becoming a lot of competition nowadays, very packed. CA dia, because no choice. But so you have to train during Ramadan. So now how? So you can get some of these findings. Actually, I just summarized all this review that I did, and from this book. Of course, it's not published in a big book, but it's a we did. So you can take a look. These are free available. This I reviewed with Bruneians. Okay, so all these factors, you all know, okay. Right? All these factors, right? Remember? Okay, I won't go. So what do you do? Okay, let's talk about the training time only. So okay, this is reviewed 10, 15 years ago that looked at SEA Games before the Malaysian, published in Malaysia. The SEA Games bound boxers train 3 to 5 AM, starts, soccer start at 30 at night, and then like Silat, they train twice a day with morning session start AM. Okay, and then that time Dr. Ramlan mentioned the best time to train during fasting is between 6 and 8 AM. I don't think he has data to show. Sorry, Dr. Ramlan. And so on, and he said something like that. That's why NS that time NS is sending a team of 4 specialists as we want to data so that we can use it in the future. Did they do that? I don't know. Okay. So now I'm trying to show you something. So okay, if you train in the morning, 8 to 10 AM, the advantage is common sense. You are fuel, and fuel, and sahur will just be consumed, assuming you consume sahur nicely. So, but food fluid next 10 to 10 hours of post-training. This can hamper your recovery process, you all know that, and training-induced adaptation and the preservation instinct. I should put this in inverted commas. Athletes tend to hold back and not put maximum effort. That's the problem. So late afternoon, 4 p.m., tendency to peak human performance because of their circadian rhythm and the body temperature. You tend to peak at that time, and of course you have a maximum effort because you are going to consume food almost immediately. Maybe you end like 7:60 for what's time the fast break? 7:30 around there. So maybe you think at 7 o'clock you're ready to eat. So okay, one more extra bout of maximum effort. Okay, you go again. Correct. So you have put in a little bit extra effort because you know you're going to break fast soon. But no fuel for the previous 12 hours, and that could have the quality could be during the session may not be as good assumption here. What about evening? I don't know, no problem. Evening, you basically in a non-fasted state. So